Hello and welcome to Kindergarten Orientation. In this presentation, we are going to present to you the curriculum that your students will be receiving as kindergartners. You'll hear from myself, Tara Rossi, I'm the Supervisor of Language Arts, Mr. Scott Kircher, the Supervisor of Social Studies, Ms. Katie Arbolino, the Supervisor of Math, and Mrs. Marissa Wilson, the Science Supervisor. Humanities is the integration of language arts and social studies. Where it's appropriate, teachers identify natural intersections between the two content areas to support cross-curricular learning. In the area of literacy, we use a balanced literacy approach to instruction. This means that students are provided with opportunities for explicit teacher-directed instruction, specifically in the area of word study, and they're also provided with opportunities for immersion in rich literary experiences. Our core methods of instruction include multisensory techniques. Again, this is used in word study where students learn phonics rules that they can apply to reading and also to spelling. They also learn about language acquisition, which includes phonemic awareness, high frequency words, vocabulary, and skills like that. In the Readers and Writers Workshop, we use school-wide units of study to drive our instruction. This model is presented where the teacher is the lead modeling the skills using mentor text so that students can see where they're situated. She provides students with guided practice, and finally, students are given the opportunity for independent practice at the end. Within the workshop model, it's heavily student-centered and students have choice in much of what they do. We use assessments, informal assessments that are mostly embedded within instruction. This helps us to gather information and drive instruction. We are able to meet the needs of all students where they are and moving them forward through strategies like small group instruction, guided reading, and conferencing. My best recommendation to you is at home, the best thing that you can do to support literacy is instill a love of literacy by reading regularly with your students. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Scott Kircher. The curriculum is organized by the four major themes of the social studies: the influence of society, political organization, economic decision-making, and geographic features. So your students will go through four different units throughout the year. Again, this is a humanities approach, so it'll be embedded and connected to the ELA directly too. The four units are Who Am I? Looking at citizenship, fairness, and responsibility. Who Are We? Families, cultural identity, and early American heritage. What Do I Want and What Do I Need? The importance of resources and early economic decision making. And Where in the World Am I? Map skills and geography. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to kindergarten. For mathematics, we use Envision 2.0, which is completely aligned with the New Jersey Student Learning Standards. The content in Envision is developed with focus, coherence, and rigor. Mrs. Wilson and myself work closely together to blend the natural intersection between math and science. In addition to Envision, our teachers utilize a web-based program called IXL. IXL does align with our math program and provides the students with comprehensive standards-aligned content. Please have a wonderful year and do not hesitate to reach out with any concerns you may have.
Hi, this is Marissa Wilson. In kindergarten science, our students explore the following topics: weather, plants and animals, forces in motion, and engineering and design. Our primary science resource is online and is called Mystery Science. The state science standards from K to 12 take a three-dimensional approach. Science instruction places emphasis on the core ideas or content, science and engineering practices, as well as cross-cutting concepts. If we can be of any assistance in any time during your child's educational journey here in Sparta, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for listening.